application, any apps you open around these areas, and then you can have like a quick access to your applications.
Oh, that's cool. Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool. And all of this is coming out in Q4?
Oh, no, it's already available.
This one's very cool.
Yeah.
For
So,
the 500 and 700.
yeah, so 809, the boost, and you can ask pre-order information.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I was waiting
So you already leave your like badge information yet?
Oh, no, I haven't. Take away my stylus, please. Stylus.
Yeah. We actually have some small gift.
This year I want to get something much more powerful.
You
and I'm
can,
thinking
choose any of these giveaway from your reception center.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. And if you are creators, actually we also do
Yeah, so we're here trying to demonstrate the 2D animation simulation with our Windows laptop. This is ZenBook Pro Duo. Did you see before?
I seen some of this, but on the Razer one. Have you seen the Razer one?
Razer
but not
one?
not the whole monitor.
Okay, so actually we have just launched 1 month ago.
Yeah.
So this is a dual screen laptop.
What's the price on this one?
About 3,000 US.
Okay, it's not bad.
Available by the end of August. Yeah.
And I saw it's a writing pad, touchpad, and all that stuff.
Touchpad and 4K resolution, and this is OLED panel.
Can you make this animate right now with the character?
Yeah. You want to have a try?
Go ahead, I'll try it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's picking up beautiful. Let's see. There we go.
Yeah, there you go.
I have this program, that's all.
Oh, really?
I have it. Yeah.
Cool.
I use it, I like it. It's easy to render.
Yeah.
But this is the demo that comes with it.
Yeah, that's correct.
I like that. It's pretty coll. I like this.
Yeah.
All built into one. What's the GPU on it?
The GPU is GeForce 2060. CPU is the Core i9 9th generation.
I like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit you guys up. I'm gonna look in. I didn't even notice about that. That you can even render and edit your videos to there. That's
Right. So basically this is for video editing, and because we have you can notice that there is a second screen down here. So basically you can put whatever you need down here. For example, I put like timelines here.
Yeah.
So you can also do like reference.
That's what I like that. I like that for music, rendering, and all that stuff. I like that.
Right. Perfect. And also.
Oh, I just saw this too. The 10 keys.
Right. This is number keys that you can turn on and off, and then you can just type in numbers like quickly.
Let's take one of that one over there.
Okay. So the hardware, you know the hardware. The hardware is for i9. 2060. So you can see that we are doing the video, rendering video like with 0 frame drop.
I like it. I like this. I'm in love with it. I saw it, I was like, wow, I gotta get me one. Now
And then you know what? Like today, especially for SIGGRAPH, we are actually cooperate with B&H for pre-order. So you can do the pre-order if you like.
Oh, the pre-orders?
Online.
Yeah.
I think it's middle of August.
Yeah, I'll hit you guys up if it comes out by August. I'll be ready.
Right.
I'm gonna order one as a demo for me. Cool.
Okay.
All right, thanks.
Okay.